the financial events for this week, starting on November 25th, Monday, and ending on November 29th, the Friday, 2024. The week starts with the release of the earnings of a telecommunication giant Zoom at 16:05 Eastern Standard Time. The bears are skeptical of growing competition from other providers like WebEx and Google Meet and push to return to work by the new administration, as Zoom offers a lot of products that facilitate work from home and remote work. Zoom stock peaked in 2020, so bulls like the $7.52 billion cash position sitting in the balance sheet, the high momentum 33% versus 4% sector median, net income growth of $219 million in the last quarter, and the product diversification that Zoom is offering these days. November 26th will see the release of earnings of Best Buy, Macy's, and Dick's Sporting Goods before the market opens. And after the market closes on November 26th, Dell Technologies, CrowdStrike, and HP will release their earnings. CrowdStrike offers the cybersecurity platforms like Falcon platform to a lot of big corporations and was in the news back in July and August because of IT outage. However, this time, a lot of analysts are bullish about CrowdStrike. November 26th will also see the release of new home sales data at 10 a.m., consumer confidence data at 10 a.m., and minutes of Fed's November meeting at 2 p.m. The U.S. Consumer Confidence Index is released on the last Tuesday of every month at 10 a.m. Eastern Time by the Conference Board. The index is based on a monthly survey of 5,000 U.S. households. The survey asks 5 questions about the economy, and each response is categorized as positive, negative, or neutral. The index is calculated by comparing the relative value of each question to a 1985 benchmark of 100. Consumer confidence is an important indicator that can have a significant impact on the stock market. When the consumer confidence is high, investors are more likely to invest in the stocks and other assets. This leads to a rise in the stock prices and an overall bullish market. On November 27th, the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis, also called BEA, will release the GDP first revision for third quarter at 8:30 a.m. Now, the gross domestic production, or GDP, is the value of the goods and services produced by the nation's economy less the value of the goods and services used up in the production. November 27th, BEA will also release the PCE, the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, at 10 a.m. This is a measure of the prices that people living in the United States or those buying on their behalf pay for the goods and services. The PCE price index is known for capturing inflation or deflation across a wide range of consumer expenses and reflecting changes in the consumer behavior. This is an important index because as of September 2024, the PCE index increased by 0.2% from the previous month, resulting in a 2.1% rise over the past year. This annual increase is the smallest since February 2021 and aligns closely with the Federal Reserve's 2% inflation target. The recent moderation in the PCE price index suggests that inflation is moving closer to the Federal Reserve's target, potentially influencing future interest rate decisions. Market expectations have increased for a possible interest rate cut in upcoming Federal Open Market Committee meeting, reflecting confidence in the Fed's ability to manage inflation without triggering a recession. And then markets close on Thursday, November 28th for Thanksgiving. Market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, November 29th. Happy Thanksgiving.